Hi guys, it's Mifu and today I'm going to teach you how to make a Gudetama. You'll need quite a few things like a needle. Don't ask me why there's a needle in Gudetama's bum, but yeah. You'll need a needle with thread, some scissors, a hot glue gun, just in case you're lazy like me, some black felt, pink felt, lighter pink felt, white felt as well, stuffing, white material, yellowish, goldenish, brown, orangey sort of material. When I say material, I mean you can like use other stuff other than felt and this sort of material. It's just that I had these things and yeah. Cause for this one, I used a towel. Cause yeah, back then I didn't have these materials, and I didn't have time to make a face. So yeah, I'll do that another time. Toss that aside. You also need a bowl or something with a rounder shape for the egg white. You'll need something smaller than the bowl with a rounder shape for the egg yolk. And don't ask me what's in there, but yeah. Also, you don't have to make the bacon. I just thought that it kind of looked cute. Yeah. So let's start with, when you make it, you want to put your sphere sort of thing on your white material, and then you sort of want to trace it with a pen. And I suggest, if you have a big enough white material, folding it in half so that when you trace it, when you cut it out, then two of them will come out the exact same size, and yeah. But if you don't, then you can always cut out another piece of the material and just put it on top. That also works. So do the same thing with the yellow material, and then once you've done that, you want to sew the egg white. So let me just do that. And before you finish sewing, leave a small gap so then you can flip it inside out and then stuff it with stuffing. So I'm just going to do that right now. Okay, and once you've stuffed it and sewed up the edge, then you want to cut out your Gudetama eyes, mouth, and yeah. So what I did to cut out the eyes was I just got a picture from the internet, and I kind of just tried to sketch it out on the felt. And then for the mouth, I sort of just cut out this black blob and then like hollowed it. And then when I cut it out, it was like super thick, so I just like cut the thing to make it thinner. And then I just got a blob of white and then trimmed it to fit the size of the black outline. So now, while I wait for the hot glue gun to heat up, okay, it's heated up, I'm going to glue on the eyeballs and the mouth, and then I'll show you what to do next. So, yeah. Okay, so I've glued on the eyes and the mouth, so it doesn't come off. So basically, you want to get your egg white, and you want to see where you want to put the egg yolk. Once you've found out where you like it, just sew it. Sorry, I keep stabbing it into the butt. You just want to sew it onto there, and then I'll show you how to make I'll tell you how I made my bacon. So let me just sew this, and then I'll see you after that. Okay, so once again, before you finish sewing it, you want to leave a space, because I'm actually gonna stuff the egg yolk. So you don't need too much for the egg yolk, because as you can see, it's pretty big already. And let me just quickly stuff. Okay, so I finished stuffing it, and I've sewed it all off. So you can technically end it right here, but I'm not going to because well, this is for my sister and she loves bacon, so I've made 2 little hands out of that yellow material because I had excess. Yeah, if you remember how big it was. And for the bacon, I literally just sketched out all of the all of the bumps, and then I cut it out using the darker pink, and then for the lighter pink, cut those parts out. And now I'm just going to hot glue them onto the Gudetama like this. So just gonna put the hands on like that. And something like that. And then I'll show you what it's gonna look like afterwards. Okay guys, this is the final product. Him with his bacon holding onto it. And he doesn't have a butt because I didn't know where I would put it and I just put a face on it. So maybe next time I'll show you how to make this sock one. Remember how it was detachable? Yeah, so maybe next time if you want me to. So yeah, these are the 2 that I've made so far, and if you want you can comment down below which one you like better, the sock one or the scrap material one, but technically they're both scrap materials. So yeah, that's all for now. Bye guys, and I'll see you in the next video that I make. Bye!